Welcome to Learn and Share. Let's look at a brief introduction to Microsoft Office Word. Yes, Microsoft Office Word is one of the most powerful word processing programs that we have today. Almost everyone is using it every day. We can use Microsoft Office Word to make our documents. We can use them to make newsletters, to make so many things that you can think of. What matters is how you use it. If you know how to use it properly, you can do anything with Microsoft Word that is related to word processing. So briefly, this is, I can call it the backstage of Microsoft Office. We shall look at it later, where you will be saving your work when you want to print and some other things. So let's go inside and open a blank document to look at the interface of Microsoft Office Word. To begin with, this is Microsoft Word 2019. It has a few new features, but not so different from the previous ones, like 2016, 2013, 2010, or even 2007. They are very minimal and few changes. Yes, when you used to any of them, you cannot fail to use them. So let me begin by introducing you to the ribbon just up here, which is it has the collection of tools and features at the top of the screen. As you can see, these are some of the tools that we have. The tabs. Yes, the ribbon has got the tabs. For example, you have the home tab, you have the insert tab, the design tab, the layout tab, until the end. These tabs, of course, have different functions, as we shall be looking at them. Yes. To continue, we also have, when you look at your bottom left down here, this is where you're going to see your page number and also the number of words that you have written so far. For instance, if I can put some work here, you're going to see the number of pages that it is covering and also the page that you are working on. I'm working on page 1 and my document has 907 words. Yes, so you can be looking at the words at the bottom left on the page. Then we have the zoom panel here. If you're not seeing very well, or you want to adjust on something, you can come to the zoom here, adjust according to your intention or your interest. Yes, this is very important. And of course, this is our working area, as you can see, where I have put this text. This is our working area. This is where you are going to write your document or whatever you are designing. You're going to write from here. Yes. And another important area that I can show you in the beginning here is the quick access toolbar. Here we have the save, you have the undo and redo buttons here, and then you have the quick print, which I just added because whenever I'm done working, I can easily print my work. So you can add more quick tools here. For example, instead of going to file and opening a new document, you can just add the new button there to access it quickly. For example, if I can choose to remove quick print and it goes. So let me just put it back. So the quick access toolbar, it's very important. And then another important feature here, while we are talking about the interface of Microsoft Office Word, we can look at the rulers. Yes, these rulers, as you can see on at the top here, and also on your left, these rulers here, they make it easy for us to adjust our document and to control the layout of our text. And sometimes when you open the Microsoft Word, you may not see them So you have to go to view and then make them active. You check this box. As you can see, the rulers here, we see when I uncheck they disappear, so when I check they will appear. So they are very important. They guide us where the documents are stopping. It controls the layout of our text. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click on the subscription button and the notification bell for more videos. See you again in our next video.